My dear loving students, today I want to revise the problems of maxima and minima. What's problems of maxima and minima? As the problems of maxima and minima, what's problems of maxima and minima are very, very important for the purpose of case study. So, I tried my best to collect some problems of what's problem and convert it into case study problem. I hope it will be beneficial for you for the purpose of examination. So, in video number 1, I will discuss some problems of maxima minima involving case study. See here, this is a very, very important problem. So that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has maximum area. This problem can be asked in this form also, so that the rectangle of maximum area that can be inscribed in a circle is a square. Now I want to discuss this problem is very, very important for the purpose of examination. Now I will use here. I will solve some problem which are based on this concept for the purpose of case study. So before solving the problem of case study, I want to discuss this general problem. My dear student, let A denote the area of the rectangle of length x and breadth y inscribed in a given circle of radius r. So area of the rectangle is equal to x into y. Also in right angle triangle PQR we have x square plus y square is equal to 2r square. So y is equal to root over 4r square minus x square. Putting value of y in first, we get area of the rectangle is x, here x is length, and y is here in term of radius of the circle. This we have used from the equation second. Here x square plus y square is equal to 2r square. 2r is the diameter of the circle. And we know that if a rectangle is inscribed in a circle, then its diagonal will lie on the diameter of the circle. From this property we have x square plus y square is equal to 2r square. This is very, very important. And now this relation, taking help of this relation, we here determine the value of y is equal to root over 4r square minus x square. Putting value of y in first, we get a is equal to x into root over 4r square minus x square. So a square is equal to x square root over 4r square minus x square whole square. A square is equal to x square within the bracket 4r square minus x square. Putting a square is equal to z, we get z is equal to 4r square x square minus x to the power 4. Then dz by dx is equal to 8r square x minus 4x cube. Now, for our convenient, we here consider a square. A square is constant. So we consider here a square is new variable. It is z. So now for the simplification of the differentiation, we consider a square is equal to z. Then dz by dx square, dz by dx is equal to 8r square x minus 4x cube. Now dz by dx is equal to 0. 8r square x minus 4r cube is equal to 0. This implies 4x is equal to within the bracket 2r square minus x square is equal to 0. This implies 4x root 2r plus x root 2r minus x is equal to 0. So Here the product of 4x root 2r plus x, root 2r minus x is equal to 0. So x is equal to root 2r, where x greater than 0. Now also d2z by dx square is equal to 8r square minus 12x square. d2z by dx square when x is equal to root 2r is 8r square minus 12 root 2r square. That is 8r square minus 12 2r square. That is 8r square minus 20r square. That is minus 16r square less than 0. So by second order derivative test we have z is equal to a square is maximum when x is equal to root 2r. So a is maximum when x is equal to root 2r. Putting x is equal to root 2r, in second we get y is equal to root 2r. Therefore, a is maximum when x is equal to y. What does it mean? When the rectangle becomes square, its area will be maximum. You know this thing. You can do this problem by particular methods. It is a very general method, and this problem can be solved by two ways. One is you here makes this angle, this diameter makes an angle theta with this PQ, then convert length and breadth in term of radius and theta, then you can also solve this problem. So this method is upon you. You may apply this method to solve this problem. Now, my dear students, I want to solve some problems of case study which are based on this concept. A architect designs a garden in society. The garden is in the shape of rectangle, inscribed in a circle of radius 10 meter, shown in given figure. That is graveling path. Shaded region is graveling path. Based on the above information, answer the following. 2x and 2y represents the length and breadth of the rectangular part. Then the relation between the variables is x square minus y square is equal to 10, x square plus y square is equal to 10, x minus y square is equal to 100, and dx square plus y is equal to 100. So there are how many problems? There are 5 problems on this concept. I will discuss each and every sub problems which are based on this concept. My dear students, मैं आपको यहाँ पर एक हिदायत देना चाहता हूँ. इस बार मैंने कॉपी देखी और सभी लोग कहाँ से आंसर इमिटेट करके लिख दिए बिना बनाए. ये बहुत आश्चर्य की बात है. आपको जिस तरह हम सवाल बना रहे हैं, you should solve the problem and then write the correct option. Then you will get marks. Otherwise, you will not get mark. Examiner gets confused. So, you must solve the problem, then write correct option. So, my suggestion to you is, you must solve the problem, and in the last of this conclusion of each sub problem, you write option. Suppose you have to solve problem number 1, sub problem number 2, sub problem number 3, sub problem number 4, sub problem number 5. You solve each and every problem first and write the answer. Now see, in right angle triangle OM, OMA is right angle triangle. So what do you observe? Here OA is 10 meter, radius is given 10 meter, and OM is perpendicular on AB. So we apply this property. In triangle OM, OA square is equal to AM square plus OM square. So OA square is, that is 10 square, x square plus y square. This is x, and this is y. X square plus y square. So x square plus y square is 100. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. So now, the area of the garden grass is equal to area of the rectangle. This is the area of the rectangle. This is the area of the garden grass. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length is how much? Twice x. And breadth is twice y. So what do you observe? So 2x into 2y is equal to 4xy. That is 4x 100 minus x square. Here students, the area of the garden grass is equal to area of the rectangle AB into AC, that is 2x into 2y, that is 4xy, that is 4x root over 100 minus x square. So from first y is equal to root over 100 minus x square. So option B is correct. We have A is equal to 4x. Area is equal to what? 4x into y. And the value of y is root over 100 minus x square. So now here we will use the concept of maximum minimum. In problem number 3, the maximum values of area, it is given. Maximum value of area. So my dear student, we differentiate this expression of area in term of either with respect to x or with respect to y. So we want to differentiate it with respect to x. So we converted the area in term of x. So now we will differentiate it. dA by dx is equal to 4. d by dx x root over 100 minus x square. That is root over 100 minus x square plus x divided by 2 root over 100 minus x square minus 2x. So dA by dx is equal to 100 minus 2x square divided by root over 100 minus x square. So for maximum area, we have dA by dx is equal to 0. So 4 root 100 minus 2x square root over 100 minus x square is equal to 0. 100 minus 2x square is equal to 0. 2x square is equal to 100. X square is equal to 50. X is equal to 5 root 2. So x cannot be negative. Now d2a by dx square. We again differentiate it. It will be 100 minus root over 100 minus x square ka whole square minus 4x root over 100 minus x square minus 100 minus 2x square. And now here d by dx of 1 by d by dx of root over 100 minus x square is equal to 1 by 2 root over 100 minus x square, and differentiation of minus x square is minus 2. So my dear students, we will differentiate it by using the method of U and V, and after solving we get 4 minus 30x plus 3x cube 100 minus x square to the power 3 by 2. So d2a by dx square at the point x is equal to 5 root 2 is, try to understand. We put the value of x is equal to, here you see, the value of x is equal to 5 by root 2. So we put the value of x in the equation d2 by dx square is 5 by root 2 and get the result. Result is 200 meter square. 200 meter square. So maximum area is 200 meter square. Here d2a by dx square is negative. d2a dx square is negative. And how much area? It will be 4x root over 100 minus x square. And by putting the value of x is equal to 5 by root 2, we get maximum area. So in this way, we can solve this problem. The length of rectangle when A is maximum, that is 2x is 2 into 5 root 2, that is 10 root 2 meter. The length of rectangle is 2x, and we put the value of x is equal to 5 root 2, so it will be 10 root 2 meter. Option A is correct. Area of graveling path, area of circle minus area of rectangle, that is pi into 10 square minus 200, that is 100 pi minus 200, and we take common 100, pi minus 2 meter square, so option B is correct. So my dear student, the square piece of tin of side 24 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flap to form a box. the length, breadth and the height of the box formed is then of R 24 minus 2x, x 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, x. And there are 4 options. What will be the length and breadth of the box? My dear student, this problem is very, very important for the purpose of examination. In both, it is important for case study and it is important for independent also. Now, it is given that the length of this rectangular sheet is 24 centimeter. We want to make it a square. And we cut at each corner a length of x meter. So now what will be the length of the remaining portion of this rectangular of this box is not rectangle. Box is 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x and 24 minus 2. A square piece of tin of each side. This is a square type of piece, and in each corner we take a here x meter, take a length of x meter, take a length of x meter, take a length of x meter and take a length of x meter. So the remaining side will be 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x and 24 minus 2x. And the height of the box will be x. Height will be of the box will be x. When we will fold it, it will be in the form of a box, and the height of the box will be the length of the length which we will get by cutting a side of x meter in each corner. So now what do we observe? We observe that from the figure it is clear that height of the box, length of the box is 24 minus 2x and breadth of the box is 24 minus 2x and the height of the box will be x. So now the dimension of the box will be 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x and h is x. So B, option B is correct. My dear student, as we here observe that the problem is very easy and you have already solved this type of problem. But thing is that you should solve it on the sheet and write correct option. You don't write only correct option. यहाँ पर एक कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट करता है कि आप इस सवाल को बनाए कैसे. मान लिया जाए ये बन सकता है पहला, लेकिन जहाँ कैलकुलेशन है कैसे बनाइएगा. इसलिए प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप पूरे सवाल को लिखिए, बनाइए और जो रिजल्ट आया उससे कौन सा ऑप्शन मैच किया उस ऑप्शन को लिखिए. इस तरह ये सवाल बनाइए. नाउ प्रॉब्लम नंबर सेकंड, सब प्रॉब्लम नंबर सेकंड. वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉक्स इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. Length is of course 24 minus 2x, breadth is of course 24 minus 2x and height is x. So 24 minus 2x whole square into x. So option D is correct. We have b is equal to x into 24 minus 2x whole square and we will differentiate it. Then we will get this answer. So we want to show it. This is maximum volume. So put d by dx is equal to 0 and by putting dv by dx is equal to 0 we get x is equal to 4. So again d2 by dx square. By putting the value of x is equal to 4 in d2 by dx square, we get the value of d2 by dx square at x is equal to 4 is negative. So b is maximum at x is equal to 4. This you have to show. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यहीं पर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव है. इसी पार्ट में जो हम मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम पूछ रहा है, इसी पार्ट में एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव है. इसलिए केस स्टडी में जो मैक्सिमम मिनिमम का सवाल रहेगा वो बहुत सा आसान सवाल रहेगा. केवल मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम दिखाने के लिए आपको एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव अप्लाई करना है, अन्यथा आप ऑरली भी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा गलती नहीं कीजिए। आप सवाल को बनाइए, जो रिजल्ट लिखे उसको लिखिए और कौन ऑप्शन से ये मैच किया, इस तरह सवाल बनाइए। एक भी लड़का ने इस बार इस कॉपी में नहीं बनाया, बहुत दुखदाई बात है, बहुत दुखदाई बात। इट इज़ ए वेरी पेनफुल मैटर। सो नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, in this way v is maximum at x is equal to 4. So v maximum is equal to how much? X into length into breadth. X is how much? 4. To get maximum volume, we have x is equal to 4. So it will be 1024 centimeter cube. Option C is correct. My dear students, from part 3rd, it is clear that volume is maximum when x is equal to 4 centimeter. So option C is correct. Length of box 24 minus 2x, that is 24 minus 2 into 4, that is 24 minus 8, that is 16 centimeter. So height of the box is 4 centimeter. Surface area of box 2 into L plus B into H, that is 2 LV. 2 into length plus breadth into H and 2 LV. So it is 2, 16 plus 16 into 4, that is 2 into 16 into 16, that is 256 plus 512, that is 768. Total cost of making the box is 768 into 5, that is rupees 3,840. So option B is correct. So my dear student, now we want to solve problem number 3. The sum of the surface area of a rectangular parallelepiped with side x, 2x and x by 3. X is length, 2x is breadth, and height is x by 3, and a sphere of radius y is given to be constant. On the basis of above information, answer the following questions. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यहाँ पर रेक्टेंगुलर पैरेललोपाइप्ड है और ये गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन के आधार पर ये सब सवाल बनाना है। सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 6πy स्क्वायर. I want to discuss one by one. Now, it is a rectangular parallelepiped, so its surface area is twice length into breadth, twice breadth into h, and twice length into h, twice length into breadth. Length is x, the breadth is 2x, breadth into height, length into height, and 4πr square. Surface area of a sphere is 4πr square. Here it is given. The sum of the surface area of a rectangular parallelepiped with sides x, 2x and x3 of A, and a sphere of radius y. The radius of the sphere is y. So surface area of the sphere is 4πr square. And this is very, very easy. So now, in B is correct option. B is correct option. Cx square plus 4πy square. Cx 6x square plus 4πy square. So B is correct option. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, जो बात मैं यहाँ कहना चाहता हूँ, केस स्टडी का सवाल पूछकर इसमें अधिक से अधिक नंबर आसान है लाना। 1 नंबर आ गया, 5 अब सब प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, उसमें से 4 कोई जो सही है उसी को लिखो। तुम लोग सभी को बना देते हो, आंख मूंद के टिक मार दिया। आंख मूंद के टिक सबका आंसर बनाना चाहिए। यदि आपके पास समय है तो 5 बनाइए, नहीं तो 4 ही तो बनाना है। सो जिस पर पूरा आपको अधिकार है कि ये सही है, उसी आप सवाल को बनाइए। 9, ये सब सवाल में देख रहे हो जहाँ पर मैक्सिमम मिनिमम प्रूव करना है, यानी dy/dx d2y/dx स्क्वायर करना है, वही सवाल केवल आपको थोड़ा भारी है, लेंदी है, वरना सब 8, 9 का सवाल है। 8 का सवाल है, सच्चाई पूछो तो। ये सरफेस एरिया रेक्टेंगुलर पैरेललोपाइप्ड का और सरफेस एरिया स्फेयर का, ये 8 का सवाल है। 1 नंबर आ गया। So my dear student, now I want to change the variable in term of constant surface area. So we write here y is equal to root over x minus 6x square by 4π. So now volume of this parallelepiped is 4 by 3 pi r cube, volume of the sphere, एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पैरेललोपैप्ट x इंटू 2x इंटू x/3, ये तो आप जानते ही हैं। दोनों को सॉल्व कर दिए, लिख दिए, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। We have v equal to 4/3 pi y cube plus 2/3 x cube. So from first, y square is equal to x minus 6x square by 4 pi. So y is equal to root over x minus 6x square by 4 pi. So v is equal to 4/3 pi within the bracket x minus 6x square by 4 pi root over 3/2, 2/3 x cube. So d by dx is equal to 1/6 root pi, and within the bracket 3/2 x minus 6x square whole to the power 1/2 minus 12x plus 2/3 3x square. So minus 3 root pi s minus 6x square whole to the power half into x plus 2x square for minimum dv by dx is equal to 0. This implies minus 3 by root pi x minus 6x square to the power half into x plus 2x square is equal to 0. So 2x square is equal to 3x by root pi x minus 6x square whole to the power half. So 2x square is equal to 3x root pi 4 pi y square to the power half. So from first we have taken here from first. What is from first? Y is equal to root over x square minus 6x square by 4 pi. So my dear student, also x is equal to 6x square plus 4 pi y square. So by taking help of result sub problem first, we have written 2x square is equal to this much. And now after solving, the value of x is equal to 3y, option B is correct. Option B is correct. Here there is no use of differentiation. What do we observe? We observe that here in case 3 only when we have to show the maximum or minimum volume, then we took the help of differentiation, application of derivative, and minimum value of y is equal to 4/3 pi y cube plus 2/3 x cube. And now we got the relation between x and y. X is equal to 3y, x is equal to 3y. So y is equal to x/3. So in term of x, it will be 2/3 x cube, and option D is correct. Here there is no use of calculus. Only in case 3, use of calculus. We have v is minimum. V is minimum. So v is minimum when s is 6x square plus 4 pi y square. And here there is relation between x and y. So we change y in term of x. So minimum volume is this much, 2x square within the bracket 3 plus 2 by 9 pi. So we have v is minimum. Minimum value of v. So there are two answers. Minimum value of this much, 4/3 pi y cube. Minimum surface area. This surface area is minimum when v is minimum. When v is minimum. So option A is correct. So in this way, my dear student, we have discussed some problem of case study which are based on the application of words problem of maximum and minimum. I hope you have followed me, and after watching the videos, now I hope you would be able to solve the problem of the board examination. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, केस स्टडी के सवाल को अवश्य बनाइए, उससे पूरे चैप्टर का रिवीजन हो जाता है। इसलिए आप सैम्पल पेपर को केंद्र मान के प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, और जो वीडियो अभी हम हाल फिलहाल में रिवीजन के लिए भेज रहे हैं उसको अवश्य देखिए, उस सवाल को बनाइए, उसके प्रोसेस को देखिए, उसके स्टेप्स को देखिए, देन यू कैन ओनली गेट गुड मार्क्स। थैंक यू वेरी मच।